Hello guys, my name is Ravi Kumar. I am physics lecturer. So we are dealing IPE physics important questions for your board examination, both AP and Telangana. So these are the 16 chapters for your second year. So out of these 16 chapters, 3 major chapters for long answer type questions and 8 major chapters for short answer type questions. And for very short answer type questions, these are the chapters that you have to focus. 8 chapters actually you have to focus, but 16 chapters you have to focus more. One question will be unexpected question every time, so that you have to focus all the chapters of this. So coming to this long answer type questions, so I have given you the weightage also. Please go through this, but I am going directly to this long answer type questions. So that long answer type questions, we are having almost 9 questions. So out of these 9 questions, 100% 2 questions will be there in your examination, if question paper is very tough also. Okay, so waves, from this wave chapter, 5 questions I have given you. So out of these 5 questions, first question and second questions are very important. So that this question and this question I am giving you double star, so that these 2 questions are very important. And so explain the formation of stationary waves in stretched string and explain the laws of transverse wave along with the problem. Okay, and here also same, explain the formation of stationary waves in an air enclosed in open pipe, and this is closed pipe. So the question is same, that means almost half of the question is same, but this is laws of transverse wave question and this is open pipe question. You have to see the question very properly. Okay, don't write this answer to this one, this answer to that one. Okay, and these 2 questions are I am giving you the best, that means these 2 questions I am expecting. Out of these 2 questions, 1 question will be there in your examination. And beats question also very important, and Doppler effect question also very important. Doppler effect question actually that is deleted for your seniors, but this year will be there. May or may not, the question will come. Okay, coming to this current electricity, Kirchhoff laws question is very important. That is balanced Wheatstone bridge condition, that is very important, and potentiometer question also very important. So I am expecting this Kirchhoff laws question will be there in your examination. Last time also the same question. Okay, coming to this nuclei. Nuclei chapter is nuclear reactor with neat labeled diagram. This question, and next radioactivity. Radioactive decay. Radioactive decay is deleted for your last year your seniors, but this year will be there. May or may not the question will come, but I am expecting the same question will come in your examination. Okay. So out of these 9 questions, 100% 2 questions I am repeating. Okay. So if these questions may come, so focus on more. And now coming to the short answer type questions. Short answer type questions, almost I am giving you 19 questions. Out of these 19 questions, 100% 5 to 6 questions will be there. 5 to 6 questions. Okay, so coming to electric charges and fields. Coulomb inverse square law, and define electric field intensity and derive the electric field due to point charge. Derive the electric field due to point charge and couple acting on electric dipole, and electric field due to axial line, electric field due to equatorial plane. These are using electric dipole. And Gauss law, its importance. So use this. Okay, so out of these 6 questions, 100% 1 question will be there. Okay, so this Coulomb inverse square law already you know, force of attraction, okay, or repulsion, and next electric field intensity, that is Fe is equals to, that is F by Q. Okay, and couple acting means, that is torque is equals to P cross E. Okay, so these 2 questions, why I am explaining you means these questions also same interrelated. So here the electric field due to point charge, here electric potential due to point charge, same interrelated questions. So here potential energy is nothing but U is equals to P dot E. So here P cross E, tau is equals to P cross E, here U is equals to P dot E, that's it. Okay, and the capacitances of parallel plate capacitor, that is C is equals to epsilon naught A by D. And the series combination, parallel combination, this is different. Okay, you have to think very thoroughly, that means parallel plate capacitor or parallel combination of capacitance. Okay, see the question very properly and you need to write the answer. So I am expecting out of these two questions, one question will be there. Okay, right. Next, moving charges and magnetism. From this moving charges and magnetism, many questions are there, but out of these two questions, major question will come. Ampere's law and Biot-Savart law. That are very easy questions and important questions of your IPE. Okay, and next, electromagnetic induction. Out of this electromagnetic induction, eddy currents. The question will be the advantages of eddy currents. Okay, if the question is missing, then mutual inductance of the solenoid, the question will come. Only two questions are there in this chapter and there is no other option. So you have to focus on more in this chapter. And next, atoms. That is the Thomson-Dalton model and Rutherford model and Bohr's postulates and de Broglie hypothesis. These all postulates are very important. Okay, you have to focus more. And I am expecting Bohr's limitations, the question will come. Limitation. After these postulates, limitation question. If limitation question also missing, then spectral series. Okay, there is no other option. Okay, you have to focus these all questions. And next, coming to the semiconductor. Semiconductor chapter, we are having half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. Distinguish between half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. Okay, and that means the construction, that means the theory of half wave rectifier and theory of full wave rectifier. If that is missing, then NAND gate, NOR gate, truth tables. Okay, define NAND gate and NOR gate with truth tables. They may ask you like this. Okay, and from this ray optics, rainbow question, myrages question, and setting sun and rising sun question. These questions are very important. And from this wave optics, intensity question, and next eye defect question, one question will be there. These questions are very important. Okay, resolving power of eye, that question. Okay, so these two questions also very important from these two chapters. So these all are the long answer and short answer type questions, and from very short answer type questions you have to focus all the chapters. Otherwise, focus on these two chapters majorly, that is magnetism and matter and electromagnetic waves, because 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, that means almost 4 questions will be there, will become. Okay, and next from alternating current, 100% one question, 2 marks question will be there. Okay, and from ray optics itself, myopia, hypermetropia, and next problematic question may also come. Okay, so you have to segregate like this and you have to focus more. Okay, so this is the chapter segregation and the questions, and I'll explain each question, okay, individually. Don't worry. So I'll give you the best for you, and so you have to focus all these questions, that myself. Okay, and have a nice day. I'll explain you this and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.